A very good morning, class 11. So, today we are starting with a new chapter from the book Snapshot. So, the very interesting chapter you will really like when you will know the title of it, and you will really like to read it about this story. So, this is Albert Einstein at school. Yes, exactly. This chapter talks about Albert Einstein when he was in school. So this is written by Patrick Pringle, who was born in the year 1935. Patrick Pringle, he had written one book, The Young Einstein, and especially this episode it had been taken out for his school days, that how he was in the school, or what kind of subjects he used to like when he was in the school at. So Patrick Pringle, as I mentioned, he was born in the year 1935. He was a freelance writer as well as a photographer. So he had an interest in photography, in writing. He had an interest in sports, film. So he was the one, Patrick Pringle, the one who used to have various interests. With that, a great educator. Yes, great educator. And awarded with various awards. So he had written this Young Einstein, and you know Albert Einstein, who was famous, known physicist, right? So who, like we can say, a great person in the branch of physics actually. So it's about him. Now the story says about his school days. The title itself says about it. He was in Munich. Now, what happened? What kind of a child he was, or I would say, what kind of a student he was? What were his interests? It's about that. So when basically first thing you need to know about it, that his when he was studying in the school, he had a different theory of education. He was not the one who was happy with the education which was there, which was taught to the students at that time. He had his own theory of education. That's why we get to know here that he was the one who did not like at all facts and figures. He was not interested in learning the facts and figures. He was the one who wanted to go more deeper into the things. He wanted to learn about that. Ideas were more important for him, not the facts and figures. According to him, facts and figures, anyone can look into the book and can memorize. What was the idea behind that? It was more beneficial for him. He was more into that. With that, what we will learn in this chapter about his friend. He had one friend, Yuri, and one cousin, Elsa. Elsa is the girl, Yuri is the boy. So Yuri, his friend, and Elsa, his cousin. With that, we are going to learn about his school teachers. The story would start when he had a conversation with the history teacher. As it was in his younger days, so he need to study various subjects, different subjects. So history teacher and Albert Einstein had a conversation. History teacher raised a question related to one particular war. And what answer he gave? Because as I mentioned, according to him, facts and figures were not that much important. So he was not the one who memorized the years actually. And then we get to know about the other subject teachers also, maths teacher also, about his interest, what he used to play, what he used to like to read. With that, there is one thing about his lodgings, where he used to live. He was living away from his family for the education. And where he was living, where basically Albert Einstein used to live, it was not at all good place. He said that no civilized person lives there, because there was a lot of violence where he used to live, in that lodging. Lodging is a small rented room actually. His landlord, he used to beat children, and every weekend, Saturday, Sunday, that landlord lady's husband used to beat her. So it's about because he was drunk and everything. So he was the one who did not like the lodging at all. There was smell, everything. And he wanted to go away from that place as well as from that school actually, because he was not liking that school. He was not liking the education there. So he did something. He discussed the things with his friend, with his cousin, and what came up with the idea, what exactly happened. Then even one doctor role came in between, Dr. Honest Will. So something happened in between, or at the end, what happened? Whether he was in the same school or he went away, because it was in his mind that if he would leave this place, he would not get the diploma for his education. Then what would happen next? So what exactly happened in the story, we need to learn about it. So I really hope this much is clear to you, right? So read it. We will do the reading, obviously. We will try to understand each and every, but you need to understand about his interest. He used to play the musical instrument. He used to read the book, and he even had that perception that I can't pass the exam with the parrot reading. That is with the rectification. I can't do it. I need to understand it more deeply. So various things we get to know about, and he's the most genius person. Still, like the science students can relate it more now here. Right, so I guess this much is clear to you, and in the next class we will discuss, we will read it, and then we will try to understand more about it. So you need to understand his history teacher, maths teacher, and he used to read one book which was not his subject also. We will learn this thing also in the story. Right, thank you, God bless you.